We're off to Jimmy and Jeannie's house, and I'm with special guest Queena's son.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! And she's wearing orange to stay sunny.
Oh, yeah.
Ta-da! And we're going in the very quiet Prius. I want to tape how you start it. It always surprises. Oh, it always surprises me.
Hold on. Lots of trash.
Whoa!
And a book.
And a book. A book in the
I
trash.
didn't realize the book. I forgot. Oh.
Who's talking to me? Telephone? What do you want?
Oh, wasn't that a call?
Nope. And it started. Whoa, this is so weird. Always surprises me.
Directions.
Where is he? Hey, Curbs. I've only been at this racetrack once, and it was for graduation. You're a liar!
It's for Arcadia High?
Yeah, Arcadia High.
I smell hot dogs.
So.
Yeah. That doesn't sound
Oh, I didn't explain. We are at the Santa Anita... Oh, watch out, watch out.
Or park.
Oh. We are at the Food Truck Festival, and I'm excited!
Not the weather.
Not the weather. The weather's not so good, but it smells good. You can't smell it here. It smells like this. You smell it?
Yes, oh my god.
It smells good. Excited, Jeannie?
Kind of. I'm hungry.
Aw. There's a spot here and here and there and there and there.
That guy didn't let us go the other way, right?
That's true.
Right.
No, but you can turn it.
Whoa!
Hello.
Look at that. Are you excited? Yay, yay, this is us skipping. Skip, skip, skip. Okay, you guys ready to go home now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had enough food.
I have to go under like you're saying. That's okay, let's see what's it like first.
No, because it's a track, so it's a circle, so we weren't able to go through.
Under maybe goes underground. This is our Disneyland map.
What is the lobster truck?
I don't know, but we're here.
I look for the lobster truck and the grilled cheese truck. Oh, I found the lobster truck, 61. This is the longest line I've ever seen. So, point out where we started from, where the truck We
is.
started from here, and we walked all the way around here to wait for that.
Yeah, it's all the way. I can't see where it is.
That's not the right one.
The red one. Is that too bad?
But the line snakes around, yeah. Okay, okay. I say we go look at something else and line up walk. This is from the lobster truck. Queena, what is in there?
This one, I believe, has lobster, a bread, and butter.
This one, I think, is the shrimp fiesta burrito, and this one is the #1.
That's the lobster stuff?
This one.
No.
That's the lobster.
What's this?
This is
Tell me now!
the Java. No, wait, skirt steak or Komodo.
And then?
Did you get the balls at the? Oh yeah, I
That's
had
the
that.
What's that?
meatballs. The meatball side, that's chicken, and that's the Java.
See, we are very organized. We actually split up and each lined up.
Oh, really?
And yeah, where's O'Donna and Jeannie? I need to call them. The destruction of food. How do you guys feel? Do you like it? Any thoughts, comments? Would you come again?
To try more trucks. I get this truck.
That one?
I like this one.
I was waiting in that one, the Joga Saki for a good. What's wrong?
They don't have it.
They don't have Thai tea?
Huh?
Oh! Jimmy, are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm having fun. How long did you wait in line?
1 hour.
I'm pretty sure I waited something like that too. Okay, we're going to, yeah, because it was so long to wait for the food. Okay, we're going to Maui Wowie. Maui Wow, right somewhere here.
Video! Video! This is a video!
That's what I wanted you to do. You just gave me trash. Go, Genie, get him. Get him, Genie. Flip him upside down, round and round. Fight, fight.
Very good influence.
Why?
Look, she's vlogging too. She's vlogging
Go
too.
away. It's my turn. It's my turn.
Oh my gosh,
You missed it. At first she was like, she was vlogging.
You said trees, Chuck. Hiya! sorry. Ah! We're done with the food truck. Food truck festival. And now we're going to get boba. Because we're not done eating. We're eating. Hello, Auntie.
Hey, 海南島
We're playing with Nerf guns. That's what you get, Ojana.
I was just pulling them down.
You shot the TV.
Oh, you cocked it already.
I did?
Yeah. Because when you pull it, that's when
Ooh.
That's fun.
This is a tutorial.
How do you...
You stick back.
Do you have to pull those? That's what I did. That doesn't move.
Ooh. Ojana's losing. Look at Alex.
You have to pull it back, yeah.
Ojana, you lost. You have less bullets.
No more? That was fast.
Preload time. Oh.
We went to Disneyland and then no California Adventures. We walked by that weird alligator thing and then Alex was like